In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reservation to the SpotHero app. This process is essential for managing your parking needs efficiently. However, it's important to note that you cannot manually import or add an external parking reservation to the SpotHero app. Reservations will only appear automatically if they were booked through SpotHero using the same account or email address. This ensures that your reservations are securely linked to your profile. First, open the SpotHero app on your device. You will see the home screen with various options available. The app's interface is user-friendly, designed to make your parking experience as seamless as possible. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once you have it open, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. This initial action is crucial because it sets the stage for accessing your reservation. Next, sign in with the same email address you used to make your reservation. This step is vital because SpotHero uses your email to track all reservations linked to your account. If you signed in with a different email, you won't see your reservation. After entering your email and password, tap the Sign In button. You'll know you're in the right place once the app loads your profile. Don't worry if it takes a moment. This ensures that everything is properly synced. After signing in, tap on the Trips or Reservations option. This section is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap it, the app will display all your active reservations. This feature is designed for your convenience, allowing you to quickly review your parking plans. You might see a list of trips or upcoming reservations you've made. This organization saves you time and keeps everything at your fingertips. Now, your SpotHero reservation should appear automatically. If everything has gone smoothly, you should see the details of your reservation displayed clearly. This is a reassuring moment as you can confirm that your booking is correctly recognized by the app. You'll find essential information such as the location, date, and time of your reservation. This clarity is important because it helps you avoid any confusion later on. Next, select the reservation to view your parking pass and parking instructions. By tapping on it, you will access all the necessary details for your parking experience. This includes guidelines on where to park and any codes or passes you might need. Having this information handy ensures you are prepared when you arrive at the location. This step is particularly important as it helps you navigate to your parking spot without any hassle. If your reservation doesn't appear, don't panic. Start by confirming that you are signed in with the correct SpotHero account. It's easy to forget which email address you used. If you are signed in correctly, check your email for the SpotHero confirmation message. This message is essential as it serves as proof of your reservation. If needed, you can also open the parking pass directly from this confirmation email. If you booked through a partner, such as Ticketmaster, make sure you sign in to SpotHero using the same email address used for the purchase. This is crucial because all reservations linked to partner services will also need to be accessed through the corresponding email. If everything seems correct but your reservation is still missing, it's time to contact SpotHero support for assistance. They have the tools to help resolve any discrepancies. Finally, keep in mind that only reservations made through SpotHero or an official SpotHero partner can be accessed in the app. Reservations made directly with a parking garage or another service cannot be added to the SpotHero app. This limitation helps maintain the integrity and security of your parking bookings. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and efficient parking experience with SpotHero. Thank you for joining me today, and happy parking!